Ever found yourself facing a blank canvas? Unsure of where to begin? That's exactly where I was. Until an onion, an eggplant, and a tomato sparked my journey into the world of packaging design. Join me as we delve into the creative process that brought these vibrant vegetables to life. To start, I picked up my drawing pad and sketched the outlines of the onion, eggplant, and tomato. These simple outlines would serve as the foundation for what was to come. With the sketches in place, it was time to infuse them with life. I turned to the illustrious Illustrator's default food color palette, handpicking shades that resonated with each vegetable's distinct charm. A blank rectangle held the promise of unveiling the fruits of my labor. With bated breath, I activated the switch, allowing the textures to weave their magic. The transformation was simply mesmerizing. Now, let's switch gears to packaging design. Starting with a page size tailored to the package, I seamlessly applied the textures. My pre-prepared details seamlessly integrated, streamlining the process. As we handed the design to our client, a mock-up entered the scene, the final flourish to our creative journey. This mock-up served as the ultimate canvas for our design's quality evaluation. Don't forget to subscribe. Before we wrap up, remember to subscribe to the Oxygen Graphic YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. As we continue to explore uncharted creative territories, we're thrilled to have you along for the ride. From a trio of vegetables to a captivating packaging design, this journey has been a testament to the magic of creativity. Thank you for joining me on this visual adventure.